Imagine a piece of metal boiling in your bedroom at room temperature. Sounds fake. Watch this. Boiling isn't just hot. It's pressure versus vapor pressure. Drop the air pressure low enough in a vacuum chamber and even metals can start to vaporize at room temp. No stove, just physics. In ultra-low pressure, atoms escape the surface faster than air can push back. That's why water can boil cold, and with extreme vacuum, even metal can boil or evaporate right off the surface. Mercury, it's already liquid. Under deep vacuum, it outgasses like crazy. They vanish into vapor. So next time someone says boiling needs heat, tell them heat helps but pressure decides.